Hey y'all, welcome back to Griddle Point. As you can see, there's once again no griddle, but we do have steaks. And if you can't have your steaks on a griddle, next best is over an open fire. So we got corn on the cob roasting down in the flames. We got steak. We got shadows being cast by my lovely assistant, and we're gonna have a good supper even without the griddle. Although I may have to pick the sticks out of my steak. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll get back on the griddle soon, I promise. And thanks for liking, subscribing, sharing, and all that. And most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you next time. Bye!